Alright then. So, this is iPhone 14. I'm really nervous to open this, to be honest with you guys. But yeah. Well, I guess. Here goes nothing then. So, yeah, as you can see here, I clearly have the iPhone 14 Plus. So, let's just unbox it. I'm gonna head back in. New, paper pull tabs. I've seen this all over the internet, a while back. They switched during the iPhone 12 or 13 time to the paper pull tabs instead of plastic. Okay, you go there. Keeping these boxes is you gotta keep them. Because you paid for an Apple product. You've gotta keep the boxes. Okay. Here goes nothing then. Make sure I've got the perfect angle for this. Cool. Even has a cutout in the box with lens. That's just amazing right there. Must say I love the blue colour. So yeah, you can put it up there. You will now be in all future videos. I don't want to get my fingerprints on this, but I kind of have to. So, let's see what's in the box here. So we'll just pull up on you. We'll put you down to the side for a minute. Okay, so what's in the box? We pull back behind here. Oh no. Oh no, it's somewhere in here. Yeah, we have a SIM card. Check the tool. Which means this is the international version. So, yay, got a SIM card and a bunch of paper. Do we get Apple stickers? We get Apple stickers. This is the important stuff. We get the Apple stickers. That's important. A bunch of paperwork. But, yeah. So, let's just package that back together and drop that back into here. And, as with all new Apple products, it's unfortunate to hear it, but they only give you well, this is only with iPhones, USB-C to Lightning cable. This is all they give. So, yeah, it's unfortunate, but at least they give us a charging cable at the minute. Don't even want to know what they'll do with the iPhone 15. So, yeah, which is useful. But, what you can do without a plug. Especially if you're, upgrading from a really old iPhone, which didn't use USB-C to Lightning. It just used the old USB-C to Lightning, if that makes sense at all. But yeah, this is everything in the box. Paperwork and a cable. Yeah, here. This is the important thing, though. Oh, that feels nice. That does feel nice. I like the buttons. So you have your side button for silent and on, and you have your volume buttons here, your power button here. No plastic though for 5G. No, none of the plastic things on the side. So then, let's do this. Apple Inc. One Apple Park away. Oh geez, Apple even has their own road. Cupertino, California. Okay. Cool. That sounded nice. I'm gonna put you back in your box. Okay. And then let's just power it on. Yay, we get light. Okay. I need to just quickly grab my microfiber cloth. Oh, this is the hello sequence. So, yeah. I'll cut back to you guys when everything's been set up then. using tools provided by Apple. This is if you're not in the US, because I believe the US model no longer gets the SIM card, so yeah. Okay, so using the provided SIM card ejector tool, that's what I'm calling it. First, get your old phone. You want to just give a little pokey poke on your other model. And have that come up. This one's a little old and janky, so yeah. One sec. Okay. So and then you pull out of your old phone. That's your SIM card right there. Now you want to remove your old SIM card. Just plop that back in because the phone doesn't come with a SIM card. Plop you up there, you're no longer required. Now you get your SIM card ejector tool, put it in the SIM card slot here, comes straight out, no hassle. Now you just pull out on this one here. I must say, I like how they've also made this blue. I like the casket on here to prevent water from getting in. You wanna drop your SIM card in there. Pop that right in the tray, and then shut it. Wipe it down. I'm constantly wiping this thing to try and keep any dust off. And boom, that's how you put a new SIM card in.